Hi, this is Rhiannon from the Contract Express team. This video will show you how to use computation variables in your automated templates. Computable variables allow you to store and reuse calculations within your template. Unlike other variables, they do not correspond to questions on the questionnaire, but instead are derived via expressions in the template. This might, for example, be a calculation involving number variables or a business rule based on answers given in the questionnaire. For this example, we will create a computable variable to calculate a deposit amount. In our template, we have two number variables, rent, which asks the user to specify the annual rent, and deposit percentage, which asks the user to specify the deposit as a percentage of that rent. We want to calculate the deposit based on those two values. We could do this directly within the template. However, using a computable variable allows for easier reuse of the calculated deposit later on in the template. There are two ways to create a computable variable. The first is to highlight the placeholder text in your document, then click Insert Field. Give your variable a name, then select Computable as the variable type. Note that the question section becomes grayed out, since computable variables do not correspond to questions on the questionnaire. Next, go to the Computation tab, and in the definition box, type in the required rule. As you type, you'll see predictive options based on the variables and functions defined in your template. Here, we will type rent multiplied by deposit percentage divided by 100 to calculate the desired amount. Finally, you may wish to select Save in Session. This records the value of the computed variable in the answer set for the generated document. This can be useful if you wish to surface the value in other systems, for instance, as part of an approval process. Once created, your variable can be found within the dictionary by clicking into the questionnaire and looking in the Computable Variables section. It can now be reused by right-clicking and selecting Insert to Document. Like other variables, computables can also be referred to within span rules and as part of other computations. This removes the need to replicate the computation itself every time you wish to refer to the deposit amount. The second way to create a computable variable is by creating it directly into the dictionary. You can do so by right-clicking on the Computable Variables folder and selecting New Variable. This will automatically set the variable type to computable, and the other options such as variable name and computation definition can be set in the same way as before.